Welcome back to the journey, friends. All right, so I don't know there at the beginning if you was able to hear that or not, but dogs. So it's going to be coming up to that time of hunting season, right? So I do know that hunting dogs already come through the property. They'll get the tracking stuff down, but I know that we also have coyote and stuff like that in the area. So on some days, I still have protection in the event that I need it. I don't always wear, but what's on the agenda for today? So today, I actually need to come grab the trailer and then head over yonder ways to the front of the property. Because I got some stuff I need to move around. That's kind of hard to do it by hand. And then I'm also expecting a delivery today from UPS, Amazon package that I ordered for the water buffalo. It's actually a cover. So to me, just doing the price comparisons of what it would be to buy paint and paint the tank a black color or dark color in comparison to just buying a cover, something I can take off later. And like once this tank is wore out, I can always take a cover off and put it onto a different tank and not have to go repurchase paint, right? So, yeah, to me, it was a no-brainer. I just went ahead and went and purchased the cover instead. So, but I'm going to make sure that they're staying over yonder, which I'll probably go check out and see what they got cornered over there at some point. But yeah, I need to get some stuff moved around. Be waiting on that because we got a well house to build and I need to get some materials prepped. So let's fire up the truck and get the trailer hooked up. Scratch that. I'm actually going to go get the water buffalo, bring it over here. That way I can rinse it out, get a little bit of water put back into it because I need to do some domestics today while I'm up in the front of the property. I know, being here by yourself stinks. All right, so there we go. We got the trailer over here, and it's actually one of the biggest reasons why we have not gotten rid of the big black hose on the well. So down here, because we still need to utilize it for filling up this to be able to get over to the tent. So let's get this checked out. Let's see exactly how bad it is, how much I need to clean it, I guess, because it's been sitting over there with water sitting in it. So normally I get this filled up like every 2 days, but since we've gotten the RV over here, I haven't had to use it. So now it's just been sitting with water. So let's take a look inside real quick and see how bad it is. All right, busted out the old GoPro. So let's get this put down aside and see what we see. Well, we got a little bit of floaters in there. Obviously, there's a lot of stuff at the bottom, but for what I needed to do, I guess it's just going to have to be good enough. So I'll probably end up throwing a little bit of white vinegar in here as well, just to kind of help that out. But we do need to get the brush and the supplies to really scrub this thing out really good, get it cleaned out really good. That way we can continue to use this with the cover. Hopefully it will prevent a lot of this growth that's been happening, because this is the water we've been using to shower with in the RV. And even though we're using filters, yeah, I'm glad that we're finally straight on the well and not having to deal with that. Plus the other part that I love now is the well's hardwired into power. I don't got to come over here and start a generator to fill this thing up. That's it. I don't want to drain out the well supply. This well's only 97 feet deep. It's a 6-inch casing. So you do the math. Plus our pump sits 10 feet off the bottom. So, and that's 97 feet is all the way to the bottom of the well to the very top of the well. And I can tell you right now, we do not have water sitting at the very top of the well. So. I know previously when we were filling this up to use water for the RV, it's only getting about 170, 175 gallons before the well would run out. So this is enough to do at least one load, maybe 2 loads of laundry, but I only need to do one for today. And there we go, folks. That's how we do laundry here on the Ivey Rancho. And now, while that's going, I'm going to go back to going and moving some wood and logs and such around. Like I said, I needed to do, but I also needed to do this. So let's go move some logs. All right, so this is the stuff that I actually need to get moved. I'm going to be taking this, and I mean, you can see just like how curved some of this stuff is. Like this one here on the top, bad. So I'm not going to use this for the cabin build, but I am going to take some of this and repurpose it and reutilize it for the well house build. And then I have all of those logs over there that need to move. These logs need to move because that site originally is going, or eventually, not originally, or eventually is going to be septic. That's both for the cabin there and for the cabin over there. And then I will probably also put in a dump station up here for any RVs, because I don't know, I think this might stay as a permanent RV spot. I don't know yet. But anyway, I have other logs over here. And yeah, that's it. So I'm going to see if I can't get these things moved. I'm trying to think, because I'm probably just going to put everything right here, so it's out of the way. But anyway, yeah. Some of this I'm going to do with the trailer. I'll move this stuff with the trailer, and then I'll skid those logs with the tractor.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see from up here.
A little friend over here scared the bejesus out of me.
We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me.
Hi. You scared me.
We meant to be.
Thought it was a snake at first, but nope. All right, we got all those loaded up. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look how bad those things are curved and bowed and twisted. These are the three best ones. But even that one by itself is still curved, basically in that direction as it lays. You can see it kind of follows the curve of the trailer. And then those two stacked about as straight as the straight's going to be, unlike these. These are not so straight at all. But, all right, let's get them moved over. All right, there we go. So I didn't show you the unloading. Unloading is basically the same as the loading, just in the opposite direction. So this is all the curved stuff. Even that one I had set off to the side with the good ones. I got the two good ones up there on the slab. That's going to be our next project. That's going right here. And yeah, so that one will be interesting. I didn't put the trailer away. I'm going to leave it right there for now. And then I'll go ahead and I'll just show you guys the logs of where I got them. put. So you can see here, went ahead and got them moved over. I still got to get them up and off the ground. But then those logs that are over there, I'm just going to keep there for now until I can get these up and off the ground. Then I'll put everything in one pile. That's where I'm putting the logs. I don't think you guys needed to see me skid them. But I do thank you to Jason and Tara over at White Rock Homestead. So by the time that you're seeing this, they should actually be on their way here, if not here already, for a little weekend get together. Actually going to have a few people over for Gladys's birthday. So yeah, I definitely appreciate you guys for following the journey. Give us that thumbs up, share us out to your friends, subscribe if you made it this far and you have not subscribed already. It's greatly appreciated, helps us grow. And yes, that's how we do laundry here on the Ivey Rancho, and then getting materials prepped for our next big project. So I know we haven't finished some of the projects we got going, but we're waiting on materials, and these materials I already had. So all right, you guys, so remember, last but not least, always thank a veteran at every chance you get, not only on Veterans Day. We'll see you on the next one. Later, y'all.